everyone! Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color letter W, like a watch. Let's start drawing. First time I'm drawing the capital letter W.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Then I'm drawing a watch.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Please subscribe the channel.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
Let's start coloring.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Red color.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Orange color.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Yellow color. Green color.
A, B, C, D, E,
Blue color.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Purple
Q,
color.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Pink color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Red color. Cream color. Orange color. Blue color. It's so beautiful. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.